the parts on the robot's body. Woof! Are you awake? Hello, Joy. Ouch! Where are you? Hi there! Come out to play. I'll be out a little later, Joy. Why? And what do you need that alarm clock for? I want to build a robot. Okay. Would you help me build a robot, please? Place all the parts on the robot's body. Belly screen. Left hand. Right hand. Left leg. Right leg. You are helping a lot. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Done.
Hola. I'm Funny Amazing Bot, but you can just call me Fab.
Oh, hi, Fab. I'm Joy. Are you coming soon? We just need to do a motion test. Please would you help me do the motion test? Tap on the part of the robot you want to check. Right hand. Left hand. Belly screen. Head. Right leg. Left leg. Thank you for your help. Okay. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes.